Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the battery on a 2014 Toyota Corolla. You're going to find the battery located under the hood on the driver's side towards the front, right behind the headlight. First we're going to undo the hold down strap right here, starting with this 10mm, then we'll move on to this one. We're going to remove the negative terminal first. And then we're going to undo the positive terminal. Now the terminals on this are very corroded from the previous battery, so we're going to wash this down a little bit and clean it out with the wire brush. So we got a little bit of water on there. Now we're just going to go with the wire brush. Make sure we clean out any corrosion. Alright, so I got the terminal pretty cleaned up. Got most of the corrosion off. We're just going to dry this up, and now we're going to clean the negative one. We're going to be using the Toyota OEM battery. This is the part number right here, 550 cca. Take the protective caps off, and now we're going to put the positive on first. So here how you can see that the terminal is actually sitting a little higher than the connection point here. That's how you know you're pretty much all the way down. Now we're just going to tighten this up. Just snug, not too tight. Make sure it doesn't move. Put the cap back on. Now we can work on the negative terminal here. Same thing, we just want to make sure we put it all the way down. Make sure it gets seated. Turn it side to side. And you can see the terminal is sitting higher than the clamp here. And you can also see down here that it's pretty much bottomed out. And now we just tighten this down. Again, same thing like the positive side, just snug, not too tight. You just, as long as it doesn't move when you try to shake it around, you're good to go. And now the last thing to do is just put on the hold down bracket. You want to start the threads on the 10mm nut in the back, and then start the 10mm screw in the front. And now before you tighten down the 10 over here, you want to make sure this is tightened down first. So this one's tightened down. Now you can come over here to the 10mm nut, and this is going to secure the battery. So once it's got a kind of snug right there, try to give the battery a shake. Make sure it's held down good, and you're all set. So that's the end of the video. If you learned something, if I helped you save some money, please consider subscribing and check out my other videos on the Toyota Corolla. I have videos posted for all the other maintenance. Share a video with someone who you think can benefit from my channel as well, and I'll see you in the next one.